So you know that in the nominative case we have seen, in the accusative we have seen relatives. And what is dative? So first of all, the dots are coming from the A1 level only. Nominative means subject focus. Accusative means one object only. I'm not talking about direct, indirect, ye, wo, falan, dhiga. I'm just talking about one object. Nominative means subject focus. Accusative means one object only. Whatever the activity is going on, and on that activity, one impact should be there only. Next one, what is dative? Before doing the relative, let's say you have to understand what is nominative, what is accusative, what is dative. Nominative subject focus, accusative object focus, one object only. Dative is also object focused, but how many objects should be there? Two objects. One object will be related to person, and that person related object will be in dative, and one object related to thing will be accusative. Okay, so how you can identify this sentence is in nominative case, accusative case, or dative? Nominative, dative, accusative we have already discussed very well. Dative we are considering when two objects are there. If one object is related to person, then object will go in dative, and if any object related to thing, that will go in accusative. Sometimes you will see in some sentences there is only one object. We will see examples also here. So you will see there is only one object. Then still these sentences are also considered dative. So why this is happening? Even I'm telling you two objects should be there. But even though two objects are not there, only one object is there, and still it is going, or it is considered as dative, because these are fixed 100% dative verbs. In German, some particular verbs are 100% dative considered, whether two objects are there or not. It doesn't matter. And if there are rules, then we don't need to discuss anything more, because that is rule only. If dative, if German is considering helfen verb as a dative, then why we are discussing it too much? Okay, this is fixed dative. Over. Okay, so here you can see das ist der Mann. So this is the man. Ich helfe dem Mann. This is the perfect example. You can see this is subject verb for only one object. But I taught you that two objects should be there, and here only one object, and you can see, same. I just explained you. Helfen is a fixed dative verb. So it doesn't matter two objects are coming, three are coming or not coming. The object, whatever one object will come, that will be only considered as dative. And now we don't have to discuss ki why this is dative, why this is accusative. Nothing you need to discuss. You have to just remember this is dative. Okay, so how we will make this sentence? Das ist der Mann. So this is the man. Der Mann we have is masculine, so you know that in the masculine them, for the feminine there, dots are coming from the A1 only. Them for the feminine, masculine, feminine there, for the neutral them, and for the plural denen. So plural is totally new for you. So das ist der Mann, them, and what is the subject here? Them is helfer. Ish is subject here. So accordingly conjugation exactly same like we were doing in the accusative also. Okay, so das ist der Mann, them is helfer. Next we will see for the feminine, and for the feminine we have to consider there, we have to focus on the there. Here you can see das is the Frau, this is 100% feminine. Here you can see ich is subject, geben is verb. Now you will see two objects. One is this Frau, and second is this book. So one is related to person because Frau is a person, and book is related to a thing. So I explained you whenever two objects are there, one object is related to person. So person will go in dative and thing will go in accusative. So as you can see, Frau, with Frau, their article is coming. Why their article is coming? Because this is dative case going on. And in the dative, their article, for the feminine. For the book, you can see here das article, but as you can see, das doesn't come, not at all come in dative, but still it is coming. Why? Because two objects are there. Person related dative, thing related accusative. Okay, so that's why. So this is very simple concept. And sometimes if you see any lengthy sentence and you are not getting the object, you can ask what or you can ask whom. So whatever the answer will come for these two question words, that will be the object only. What will give the answer of accusative and whom will give the answer of dative. And what is the verb here? Geben. Geben means to give. Give. What give? Book. Give and whom give? Lady. Whom we are giving? To the lady. What we are giving? The book. So the book is accusative and whom we are giving, that is dative. If you see any lengthy sentence, maybe time, place, person, things, everything is included, then to the book you can ask a question, what and whom. So you can identify. So how we will make the sentence now? So we are having two objects here. So sometimes students are confused ki what relatives we will make. We will make in the dative. So their Frau accordingly we will change. So das ist die Frau, das ist die Frau. This is nominative here. So das ist die Frau. There we have replaced this. So das ist die Frau. There ist das Buch gebe. Conjugated verb at the end. And there is the replacement of the lady. So das ist die Frau. There ist das Buch gebe. Whom I am giving the book. Got it? Next we are moving neutral. In the neutral you can see here them. So das ist das Kind. We are schenken. We are sending. Whom we are sending? That is person and that is dative. The child, to the child. And what we are sending? Spielzeug. Ein Spielzeug. Spielzeug means toy. So that is thing. And thing is in accusative. So how we will make the sentence? Das ist das Kind. So now you can see kind is having neutral article, and for the neutral in Relativsatz we use the them. So das ist das Kind. Dem wir ein Spielzeug schenken. Why this schenken here? Because wir is still subject here, nominative, and this them is used at the place of kind, and kind is neutral. So that's why we have converted in them. So das ist das Kind, dem wir ein Spielzeug schenken. So this is nominative is also over. Sorry, this dative neutral is over. Next one for the plural. In the plural you can see denen. So das sind die Freunde. Ich erzähle den Freunden eine Geschichte. I'm explaining to the friends a story. So you have to remember erzählen is also a fixed dative verb. What we are explaining is story. That is accusative thing. Whom we are explaining to friends. These are dative. So how we will make das sind die Freunde. So these are the friends. And now we will replace all these friends with denen. So das sind die Freunde. Denen ich is subject here. Denen ich eine Geschichte eine Geschichte, and conjugated verb at the end of sentence. So here you can see ish ending, accordingly ish e ending. Now conjugation will be as same like A1 nominative. So da sind die Freunde, these are the friends. Denen ich eine Geschichte erzähle. These are the friends. Them I am explaining the story. Okay, so these are clear here. Now I am giving you 2 minutes time. You find out what will be the answers for all these, and these are in dative. Okay, so what will be the correct answer for the first one? Das ist der Mann. Them. Them is correct answer here. Why them? Because helfen is fixed. Dative. So das ist der Mann, dem ich gestern geholfen habe. So here in this sentence, you don't need to see the object, one object, two object, many objects or anything else because helfen is fixed dative. And Mann is masculine, so them here. So das ist der Mann, dem ich gestern geholfen habe. Next one, das ist die Frau, der. So das ist die Frau, der wir ein Geschenk gegeben haben. Whom we have given the gift? To lady, and what we have given? Gift. Two objects are there, and given is already dative. Next one, das ist das Kind, them. So das ist das Kind, them their Lehrer eine Geschichte erzählt hat. Past. Next one, das sind die Leute, denen. So das sind die Leute, denen wir die Einladung geschickt haben. Next one, das ist der Freund, them. Why them? Because friend is masculine. So das ist der Freund, dem ich meine Bücher immer leihe. Leihen means to borrow. Next one, here ist die Kollegin, feminine, Kollegin. There. So das ist die Kollegin, der ich oft Ratschläge gebe. So this is also dative. Next one, das ist der Hund, them. क्योंकि masculine. So them wir ein neues Halsband gekauft haben. Next one, das sind die Kinder, denen, because this is plural. So das sind die Kinder, denen die Eltern ein Fahrrad geschenkt haben. Next one, das ist der Nachbar, them. Because Nachbar is masculine here. If Nachbarin is coming, then it is feminine. So das ist der Nachbar, dem wir unsere Pflanzen anvertrauen. Vertrauen means to trust, to have trust. Next one, das ist das Mädchen, them. No, Mädchen is neutral. So das ist das Mädchen, dem ich ein Märchen vorgelesen habe. So what is this Märchen and what is this Mädchen? You know that only R and D. Very slightly difference is there. Mädchen, Mädchen. Mädchen means girl. It is very clear. And anyone of you know what is Märchen?